Hello everyone, this is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of Coursium. Coursium was produced by Niel Napier and is actually an app that helps you create video courses using an artificial intelligence that transcribes, translates, and tags videos. Yes, so this is what this app does. Guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details. I shall also show you a video demo of how Coursium works. But do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notifications and leave a comment, like, share, subscribe button as well. And as usual, guys, I've also added some of my awesome bonuses today that will complement this package. So all you need to do to have access to my bonuses is to click on the link that is also in the description box below. All right, guys, here, this is the sales page of this product. So Neil today is saying that this secret app helps create video courses that brings back buyers again and again. So right here are the features of this platform to create hand-holding style courses easily with just a few clicks. Upload and store your e-learning courses quickly and securely. Generate repeat sales with an in-demand niche content. And another is you generate repeat sales with in-demand niche content. They say it's 100% beginner friendly, zero content creation skills required. Auto transcription, create full-time coded text versions of every video course. You generate course pages to host your e-learning courses with just one click. And import directly from Zoom and G Drive. Send your awesome live training to Coursium for evergreen learning. And then you have commercial license. Right out of the box, we make it easy for you to start earning with your e-learning business. Right, guys, I have shown you the features of this software. And then Neil is also promising that you have 100% money back guarantee. Now, guys, let me show you. Let me quickly take you guys down to the bonuses that he has added. But before then, let's see other maybe the steps that you need to deploy to get this up and running. So he's also saying that you don't need no list building, no technical mumbo jumbo, no creating websites, no expensive equipment, no hosting and domain fees, nothing to download or install, no buffering, no complicated setup, no commercials from YouTube, no overhead costs, no being on camera, no creating transcriptions, no creating a studio, no writing scripts, no researching topics, no expensive editing software, no traffic hijacking on YouTube, and then you forget paying host fees on Vimeo and Wishshare. So the benefits, you easily convert the gigabytes of PLR you already own or you get for cheap. And then the second benefit of this is that you don't ever have to be on camera. All that I've already mentioned. And let's see, guys, the bonuses that he has added. All right, in just a second. So the first bonus that he added today is making 6 figures with Coursium. So it says when you purchase vid proposals today, when you purchase Coursium today, you also unlock their 3-part bonus session series. And then the bonus 2 is the curation pitfalls and is worth $297. The third bonus is the video alchemy, which is worth $497. And now let me show you guys the bonuses that I have added. So the first one that I added today is 40 high quality lead magnets. The second bonus that I added is product creation bootcamp. And then the fourth one that I added is the third one that I added is Jono's 3 favorite traffic sources. The fourth is video script video script template. And of course, you have access to all vendor bonuses, guys. So basically, to create a product, you need to know how to do that, to even think of what to produce and how to go about it. So one of these bonuses right here, the product creation bootcamp, helps you to wrap your head around the exact products that you want to create. And also about the lead magnets. So you need the leads, you need the list, you need the leads to be able to sell the courses that you'll be putting out there. So this hack right here will help you with leads. And of course, traffic. You also need to know where and how, when to send all your information, the e-learning courses that you are putting together. So with the traffic hack sources, guys, it will also be a very good tool and added advantage to that effect. All right, let's take a look. Now I have shown you the bonuses, guys. Let me show you the prices. So about the front end, guys, it is $37. So you have access to the software and the training. The OTO one, which is the unlimited, is $97 per year, and then a one-time fee of $197. And the OTO 2, which is the Coursium business, is $59, a one-time fee. So you get 20 additional done for you courses and all of that, done for you lead magnets and business websites and stuff like that. And then the OTO 3, which is the white label agency standard, and then the platinum. So get one-time fee for the standard is $147, and then for the platinum is $197. And then the OTO 4, which is the Funnelville Coursium edition, is $77 one-time payment. So you get 50 sites and 100,000 visitors monthly. Now, guys, I have shown you the bonuses. I've shown you the sales page. I've also shown you guys the prices and the upsells. So let's take a listen.
Hello and welcome to the demo of Coursium. Coursium was created so that you can quickly and easily create e-learning courses so you can profit without having to deal with all the stress of actually creating courses. This is done with 3 simple steps. First step is to upload your video. Now you don't even have to have an actual video. We provide you with a whole bunch of video courses to get you started selling your e-learning courses quickly. But the easiest way to do this is to grab an e-learning course directly from YouTube. Now you go to YouTube and, for example, search for affiliate marketing for beginners, and then click on filters and turn on Creative Commons. These are free videos that you can legally use for your own courses. So here's one on how to start marketing. So I click on this one and then I grab the URL. Then back in Coursium, I click on Add New. Then go to the video language, and in this case, it is English. So I click on YouTube, paste my URL, and then it uploads the video. That is step 1. Now step 2 is to create your video page. Click on video pages. We're going to add one now. We're going to call this our CPA training course. Description could be CPA training, and then we can give it our own subdomain location, CPA training. Here you can add a logo to the video player as well. We can decide if you want to show video count and publishing date. You can change the text on the open button as well. Let's make it say start. Now if you're going to charge for access to this course, you can add a password here. This is where you make your money. So let's set the password for this page as CPA. So the customer will pay you through your PayPal link or your Stripe link on your sales page, and then they will simply get the password from you as a permission to then launch the e-learning course. Here's where you can set it so that the course only shows on your domain. Over here, you can put additional HTML code as well, and then save that, and now you have a page ready to go. Step 3 is to add your e-learning courses to your new page. Click on video under projects. Click open on the first video you want to add to the page. Then click on the embed code button. In the embed code windows, you will have various ways you can show the video with the transcription. We're going to go with the text on the bottom and further customize the player. You can fully customize each course with colors, reactions, text, all kinds of features. You can add to it as well, and then you can grab the code and copy the code and save the changes. Then click on video pages, open up your CPA training course. You're going to set up your page, and here you add the embed code, just paste it right in. Save it. Page settings have now been updated. Now we're going to open the page. As you know, we had a password protection on our page. Our password was CPA. Open that page. This is your e-learning course. That's how you build an e-learning course page here in Coursium. 3 simple steps: upload your video, create your page, and add your e-learning courses to the page. Go ahead and get access to Coursium today.
All right, guys, you have seen the demo of how this app works. You just need 3 steps: upload videos, and then you name it and all that, and you are done. All right, guys, thank you. That is all I have to offer you guys today. I appreciate you guys for sharing my videos, for watching, for purchasing through my link. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.